Planning in sports. In this chapter, we are going to study about planning, committees and their responsibilities, tournaments, intramurals, extramurals, and specific sports programs. Introduction. It goes without saying that if one fails to plan, one plans to fail. Planning is very important for success, whether it is life or a sports event. FIFA World Cup 2018 has recently been successfully concluded in Russia. Can an event of such an enormous scale take place without planning? No, there is an immaculate planning behind any such event. Let us learn about planning in sports in this chapter. The process of putting thoughts together and organizing activities required to achieve a desired goal is termed planning. Planning comprises of setting goals, developing strategies, and outlining tasks to accomplish the goals. In sports is related to organizing various types of sports tournaments. It is also related to sports training like short-term or long-term training. Objectives of planning. The different objectives of planning are to reduce unnecessary pressure of immediacy, to maintain a good control over all the activities, to facilitate proper coordination, to reduce the chances of mistakes, to increase efficiency, to enhance creativity and to enhance sports performance. Committees and their responsibilities. A lot of planning and preparation is involved in organizing and conducting a sports event. Various committees are formed for systematic and smooth conduct of tournaments. Generally, there is a management committee in which there is at least one representative of all the departments concerned. This committee takes complete responsibility for the success of the event. The General Committee is headed by an administrative director, under whom the Executive Committee performs its duties. Have a look at this graph showing the hierarchy of various committees formed. We'll know about the different committees formed and their responsibilities. Publicity Committee. This committee is responsible for announcing the dates, venue, time, printing, publicity materials, etc. of the sports event to be held. Transportation Committee. It is responsible for making necessary arrangements for transportation. Boarding and Lodging Committee. It is responsible for providing accommodation and serving meals to the sportspersons and officials. Decoration and Ceremony Committee. It is responsible for making necessary arrangements for opening ceremony, victory ceremony and closing ceremony. Grounds and Equipments Committee. This committee is responsible for preparing the grounds and making equipments available for the event. Committee for Refreshment and Entertainment. It is responsible for supplying refreshments to guests, officials, sportspersons and also make arrangements for entertainment programs. Decoration and Ceremony Committee. It is responsible for Decoration and Ceremony Committee. It is responsible for making necessary arrangements for opening ceremony, victory ceremony and closing ceremony. Grounds and Equipments Committee. This committee is responsible for preparing the grounds. Announcement Committee. This committee is solely responsible for making various announcements during the sports meet. First Aid Committee. This committee makes all the necessary steps for providing first aid to injured sportsmen during the event. Finance Committee. It prepares the budget and maintains the account of income and expenditure related to the event. Test yourself. Which committee is responsible for serving meals to the sportspersons and officials? The options are A. Explanation. Boarding and Lodging Committee is responsible for providing accommodation and serving meals to the sportspersons and officials. Tournaments. Tournaments or competitions are held according to a set of rules and regulations. They are organized at various levels like zonal, district, state, national and international. International tournaments like Olympic Games, World Cups, etc. are organized in a splendid and magnificent way.